Hello students, welcome to the next lecture on the CSIR NET 2020 mathematics solutions. So today we will discuss about the questions which was asked related to the linear algebra. So let's start with this one. We will discuss the 8 questions are there and we will try to complete this within a 1 minute for each one. So what is that? If your A matrix is my 2 cross 2 and given that the trace of the matrix, what is the trace of the matrix is given to you as a 3, determinant is my 1. And you have to find the trace of this. So how you can find the trace of this? That is with the help of eigens value. So how many eigens value of the A is? There are the 2 eigen value. The sum of the eigens value is my 3. Product is my 1. What are those eigens value? You can simplify it as of this simply roots equation. So what is that? This is nothing but my 3 plus minus root 5 by 2. Now if you have the A has the eigens value of this, what is the eigens value of this A square? This is nothing but here. So how you can find the trace of the eigenvalue? That's the sum of this. So what is that? This is, there are the 2 eigens value, 3 plus root 5 by 2 and 3 minus root 5 by 2. So what is the eigenvalue of the A square? That is nothing but my 9 plus 5 plus 6 root 5 by 4, and this is 9 plus 5 minus 6 root 5 by 4. What are the traces? You can simply add them. If you add them, this will be cancelled out. So it will be 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 14 is 28 by 4. Right answer is my 7 is that. Look at the another one is there. So again, you have to find the value of the A 20. Again, we will try to find this eigenvalue are there. We will try to find the eigens value of the A. What are the eigens value of the, if this has here, this is lambda 1 and 2. What are the eigens value of this? This is nothing but my here. Now if you look about carefully of this matrix A, if you have this any of the matrix, if you are able to find that the sum of the each row is same, that is alpha, 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 then one of the eigenvalue is my alpha. That's a rule behind that. Okay. So now if you look about this, what is that? The sum is my 1, sum is my 1. It means one of the eigens value is my 1. So if one of the eigenvalue is 1, what is the other eigenvalue? The sum, what is the trace of this matrix A? That is my 2. So it means the other eigenvalues also be my 1. So if 1 has the eigenvalue of this, what is the eigenvalue of the A raised to power 20? That is again 1. So look at that. Is the sum of the each row as a 1? No. So this option cancel out. Sum is 1, but for the second row is not same. This is cancel out. This is cancel out. This is 1. This is 1. So right answer is my here. Look at the another one is, so what is the positive definites are there? So it means you have to think the pairs of the x and y so that this value will always be a greater than 0. Whatever the value of the x and y you can choose, that is either you can choose x as a minus 1, y as a minus of 2, is it always 2 greater than? What is the rule behind is that you always try to convert into the matrix. What is that? How many variables are there? 2, so it's a 2 cross 2. Complete this matrix fxx, fxy, fyx and fyy. What is the fxx means? That is a partial derivative with respect to x are there. Now here, and then we will try to compute the d1, that is the first element, and then second element is my determinant of the second. Now it's a positive, so it means both should be greater than 0. So we will check which one option satisfied. So if you consider the first option, what is that? If you take the second derivative, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what is the first element is there? That's a 0, which is not be greater than 0. So first option cancel out b. Look at the second option. If you compute this one, that is my 2. Second one yy is 2. What is that? This is minus 1. This is minus 1. What is the first one is 2. Second one is 4 minus 1 3. These are greater than 0 both. So right answer is here. Now since only the one option is correct, so that's the right answer of this. But if you want to try for the third option also, so what is that? This is x square, 2 times derivative, y square is a 2 times derivative. This is my 2 and 2. What is that? This is, first one is my 2, first element. Second one is my 0. But we need all are the greater than 0. So this option is cancel out b. What are the fourth option is? You can see that this one is my 2, yy is 0. This is 1, this is 1. So what is the first element is my 2, that's a greater than 0. Second element is my minus 1, which is less than 0, again not satisfied. So this option is also cancelled out. So right answer is only B. Again this is the quadratic form, same questions are there, but here you have to find a non-trivial values which is on the RQ, which is not with a 0, such that this represents a trivial value, that is this satisfied. It means you have to find the pair, like for example, if I consider x as a -1, y as a 1, z as a 1, clearly says that it is lies in here. And if you substitute this value here, this is xyz, this is xyz, look at that, the first value is a 0. It means the first is the right answer. But how you can do it in general way? Again we will try, this is the 3 cross 3 as we did in the previous example. This is a 2 cross 2. Now in this case it's a 3 variable, so it's a 3 cross 3. So I can write like this way: xx, xy, xz, yx, yy, yz, and zx, zy, and zz. So what you can do is you can do the first value fxx. D2 is the first two elements of the diagonals here, xy and yx, and the D3 is my complete one. Since we need a non-trivial definition is my 0, so we need at first value should be a greater than 0, and the other one, at least one of them will be a 0. At least one of them will be a 0. So we will see which one option is the correct. First we already compute them. So look at the second value. So look at this pair. So if you complete this matrix, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 6, it's a minus of 2. So you can see that if you complete them, eigenvalue of these are non-zero. Eigenvalue of these are my 2, 6 and 2. If you look about the eigens value, what is the meaning of that? At least one eigenvalue is 0. One eigenvalue is 0. Then is the right answer. So this option is cancelled out. But if you look about this, this is my 2, D2 is my 12, and D3 is my minus 24, which is not satisfied. At least one of them 0, so this is cancelled out. Look at the third option. This is 2, this is 1, this is 1, this is xy. So this is -1, sorry, it's a 2, 2 and 2, -1, rest all are my 0. So what is the D1 for this problem? It is my 2. What is the D2 is 4, 4 -1, 3, and D3 is the diagonal elements. At least one of them must be 0, so this is not satisfied. This option is also cancelled out. Look at the last option. So let me rub this one. So look at the last option. What is that? This is my 2, yy is 0, yz is my 1, this is my +1, this is +1, this is 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now you can compute what is the D1 is my 2, what is the D2 is my minus of 1, what is the D3 is my 0. So look at that, this option 0 is satisfied, at least one of them 0, first value must be the positive, so this is the right answer. So it means answers are A and D are the correct answers. So look, also you can see that they are asking about the quadratic form, so that's more than one answers are correct. How you can solve this one? Again, it's a very, that's a is there, so that's only one option is there. So it's any of the 2 cross 2 matrix. So you can simply consider A as a B. What will happen if A is B? What is that? The first option will be my determinant of 2A. What is the right hand side is 2 times determinant of A. All of you know that this is not true. Why? Because this will be 2 raised to power size of the matrix. Determinant of A is not equal to 2 times determinant of A. Similarly for here, if A is equal to B, the right hand side is 0 but left hand side is a non-zero. Look at this one. What will happen on here is left hand side will be the determinant of the 2A plus determinant of 0. This is 2 times of A plus B is equal to A. Here you can see this is nothing but my 4 of A is 4 of A. So this is the right answer. Again you can see these are my 0, so this option is cancelled out. So the right answer is my C. Look at the next one is there. If this is the P square, again we will think about the eigens values. So what is the meaning of that? If P square is P, what is that? This is nothing but my idempotent matrix. So what are the eigens values of this? Eigens value of this are my 0 and 1. So look at that trace of the P. All are trace. What are the trace of this matrix P? That is the 1. Trace of the P is irrational number, cancel out. Trace of the P is imaginary number, cancel out. Trace of the P is integer, that's the integer number, that is the correct option. But we are looking about the more than one correct option. So look at about the that means that's also the right answer. But how? You can see what is the P square P. So what is the minimal polynomial of this P? This is nothing but my x square minus x is 0 that is here. So what are the factors of here? That is either x minus 1 or x of x minus 1. So what are the eigenvalues of this? Eigenvalues are my 0. What are the eigenvalue of this is my 1. Eigenvalue of this is my either 0 or 1. So what is the matrix corresponding to this? Eigenvalues are my 0 here. What is this are there 1 this. What are the eigenvalues are my this here. Now what is the rank of this matrix? 0. What are the trace of the eigenvalue? 0. So this option is correct. What are the rank of this matrix? 2. Sum of the eigenvalues is my 2. Rank is my 1. Sum of the eigenvalue is 1. So both are same. So this is also the correct option. Otherwise, once you will rule out and more than one answer are correct, this we already compute. So the only pending, so you can tick them. Look at the last examples are there. So if your A is your n cross n matrix and the set of the non-zero eigenvalues has exactly R elements. So what is the meaning of that? It means it has R number of the elements are there and the rest n minus R my linearly independent. So what is that? So if it means they are linearly independent are there, so it means the below elements I consider 0 and here. But what about the other elements are there? It may be this is my 4, this is my 0, this is my here, this is maybe minus of 3. So what is the meaning of that? It means the rank of this matrix A has at least of this R. The rank of this matrix A is at least of R. So this value is cancelled out. This value is correct. So since this is the only one option is correct, so that is our right answer. But you can see that A square has the R distinct value. That is not true, because if A has the R distinct eigenvalues, it is not true that A square is also be here. If R is 0, that is the rank of the R is number of element 0, the rank is my n minus 1. That is also not true because it is here. So right answer is my C. So we will see some more examples in our next videos related to the previous years of papers. Till then you can simply follow this link. Best of luck students. Happy learning.